$1. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, sir. Can I help you?
Hi, could I, get all your money?
Uh-oh. Here you go, sir. And then you shoot.
I need more.
I don't have more.
I need more.
I don't have more. We empty, look.
I can't do this.
Ah.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
I just called 911. They're on their way right now.
Ah.
You okay?
I am not, sir.
I'm Officer Patel. I'm with the North End Police Department. How are you feeling?
I'm hurt.
And the
I'm
ambulance
shot.
is on his way.
All right.
All right, stay calm.
All right.
What did the suspect look like, ma'am?
He was a tall white man with orange hair. He just left about like a few seconds ago.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. You cannot afford one. And it's appointed to you. And you understand that right. Alright, Mr. Seeley, what were you doing on Thursday the 23rd between the hours of 2 and 3 p.m.?
I was shopping around town.
Did you ever enter Raoul's store, 28 Convenience?
No.
Really? Because I have witnesses that said you did. And this gun that matches the bullet found in Raoul's shoulder was the one that the witnesses said you were carrying and I found on you.
I found that gun later, and I picked it up because I was interested in it.
And where did you find it?
On the ground. It was around 28.
So if we put you in a lineup, do you think witnesses would be able to ID you or no?
Nope.
Because the person said they saw you orange hair, white skin, and carrying this same gun found on you, and here's a picture of the bullet. No. That's lodged in Raoul's shoulder and matches the gun found on you.
It's cool looking, but I didn't do it.
And you're sure about that? Alright, well, we'll see what happens in the lineup.
Everyone please rise for Judge Ned.
Order of the court, please be seated. Case number 1145, in case of Mr. Patel, Mr. Seeley is now in session. Mr. Moore, will you please give your opening statement?
I will. Mr. Judge, Raoul was working in the afternoon of Thursday, January 3rd. Mr. Seeley came into his store, shot him in the shoulder, as you can see, and stole all his money. Our evidence will prove Mr. Seeley is guilty. We have surveillance video from the store, and we also found the weapon and the exact amount of money that was took from the store in the back of Mr. Seeley's car. And that is all.
Thank you. Will the defense please give their opening statement?
On the afternoon of Thursday, January 3rd, my defendant, Mr. Seeley, was running errands around town. He went to Mr. Patel's convenience store and bought a pack of cigarettes. While he was walking out of the store, he found a gun on the ground, which he picked it up with all intentions of bringing it to the police, so that way it would not fall into the wrong hands and be used for malicious purposes. After that, he went to the bank and cashed his paycheck for $800, which just happens to be the exact amount taken from the convenience store. Once he left the store, about 10 minutes after, while driving home, he was pulled over by the cops with the gun in the back seat and the money in his backpack, which was also in the back seat. I maintain that my client is innocent.
Thank you. Does the prosecution wish to call any witnesses to the stand?
Yes, our first witness I'd like to call is Miss Alyssa Penacaro.
Put your right hand on the Bible. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you for coming this evening. My first question is, could you please tell the court what you saw at the store of January 3rd?
Well, I was at Rule's store making a purchase of getting Gatorade, and after I bought it, I said, "Bye, Rule, thank you." And I walked out, and I heard a commotion. I heard people yelling at each other, talking about money. And I heard a gunshot, and I immediately turned around. I saw Rule on the ground, like holding his shoulder with blood gushing out of it, and I saw Kyle run up to me, push me, and leave the store. I immediately called 911, told Raul that the police were on their way, and when the police showed up, I gave him the information that what Kyle looked like, and he arrested him immediately.
Alright, at any point in time did you see Kyle holding the handgun?
No, I didn't.
Okay, I have no further questions.
You may be seated. Does the prosecution wish to call any more witnesses to the stand?
Yes, I would like to call my client, Mr. Rajat Patel.
Don't put your right hand on the Bible. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sure. Mr. Patel, can you please explain from your perspective what happened on the night of the shooting?
Well, after helping Miss Alyssa with her purchase, Mr. Seeley walked in looking sketchy. He had a hood on, a hat on, and glasses. He was looking around. He came up. He asked for a pack of cigarettes. I turned around to get the pack, and I turned back around, and I see a gun pointed to me. With him saying, "I want all the money." I refused to pay him the money, and we started arguing, and he said, "I can't do this anymore," and he shot me in the shoulder. I fell to the ground, and I heard the cash register and saw him take all the money out of the cash register and run away with it.
Okay. Mr. Patel, I see that you have glasses on. At the shooting, did your glasses fall off your head?
No,
So you were not visually impaired?
no, I was not.
Okay, thank you very much.
You may be seated.
The defense would like to call Miss Jen Tyner to the stand.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you for coming today, Miss Tyner. So you were at the store on the afternoon of Thursday, January 3rd, is that correct?
Yeah.
And when you were there, you witnessed a robbery.
No, I didn't see anything.
You didn't see anything, but you were in the store at the time, right?
Yeah, I was in the back of the store making a purchase, but when I heard a gunshot, I ducked for cover and I couldn't see anything.
And so obviously you would not be able to identify the shooter in this situation.
No.
Right? So you never actually witnessed the money being taken from the cash register.
No.
And you never obviously saw the shooting occur.
No.
Oh. Thank you, that's all.
Does the defense wish to call any more witnesses to the stand?
Yes, we would also like to call Rahul Patel to the stand.
Mr. Patel, you realize you're still under oath?
Yes.
Mr. Patel, in your previous statement, you said that the guy who shot you, was wearing sunglasses and a hood. Is that correct?
Correct.
So it would be possible for you to mistake his identity.
It could.
So can you really be entirely sure that this was Mr. Seeley, my client, who shot you and stole your money?
I am 95% sure.
Right. And did you actually see this man take the money out of the cash register?
Yes.
You saw him reach into it and remove the money with his hands? No?
No.
Okay. And are you entirely sure that it was my client, Kyle Seeley, the man sitting next to me today?
Yes.
Thank you. I have no further questions.
Pretty crazy case.
Yeah, so we should start by going over some evidence. So the gun that was in Kyle's car when he got pulled over is the same gun that shot Rahul. Bullets match.
Also, he cashed $800, and that's how much the store lost.
I was a witness seeing Kyle at the crime scene.
And the videotape from surveillance camera.
Alright, so pretty obvious, I think, what he's gonna be ruled as, but let's take a vote. Everyone in favor of him being guilty, please raise your hand. What's the reason why you're different?
Well, I think he could be not guilty because he could have cashed his paycheck, and that could lead to no evidence.
I think it's pretty clear since he was caught on video. And there's the bullets that match the gun.
And the witness saw him do it.
I don't know. The Second Amendment says because they had the gun, they found the gun. He could have had a gun license, being able to carry the weapon.
It's the same exact gun that
And he's
shot
caught
Rahul.
on video.
And he says that he picked it up and it's not really his.
And Rahul was injured. It's pretty clear. He's guilty.
I feel like we should try to give him more of a chance than try
So
to prosecute
please,
him right away.
then, enlighten us with your ideas of why he's not guilty.
I don't know, because the Second Amendment says you have the right to bear arms, and
But he even said that he found this gun outside.
it also could have been a coincidence, though.
But I don't think
What's the coincidence?
That they
He admitted to
found another
finding
gun.
the gun.
It's on video.
We need another vote.
Yeah, let's take another vote
He's
here.
definitely
Guilty?
guilty.
Alright, let's head back to court, guys.
Before the verdict is read, I would like to remind everybody that Mr. Seeley has chose to be tried by a jury of his peers. Will the jury please enter? Has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes. The jury finds Mr. Seeley guilty.
Thank you. In light of the verdict, I would like to sentence Mr. Seeley to 5 years in prison and 100 hours of community service. Court is adjourned.
Oh, I've made so many mistakes. So many mistakes.
You went wrong there, bud.
I just needed to feed my kids.